Imagine the album equivalent of a toy box that a kid picks up all the toys from and scatters all over the floor. Well, you'd be given the new Sleigh Bells album, Jessica Rabbit. Honestly, I like noise pop, I like noise rock. It's really more of an acquired taste, but I guess over time I really started to crave something a bit more abrasive, a bit more challenging, something that was just trying to take something as chaotic and as explosive as noise and transform it into something very endearing or catchy. On this new album from Sleigh Bells, they really tried to take that noise pop sound and just go all out with it, with very challenging and experimental song structures, melodies, the layering of different tracks. It's all going to culminate in something that would at least be very interesting to listen to. However, interesting doesn't necessarily mean good. Don't take me the wrong way, I love it when a band tries to be experimental. But this Sleigh Bells album tries to take different pieces of a song. Some might actually sound good, like on the track I Can't Stand You Anymore. I like the hook on that track. However, every track on this album tries to really just mash all of these different sections of a song together, and they make as little an effort to try and make them transition into each other properly. I appreciate when a band tries to make multi-section songs. When they do it well, they have like a proper transition between those sections of a song. I realize that one of the biggest complaints I hear about this album is the song It's Just Us Now. I heard beforehand, I hadn't listened to it before, but I heard beforehand that it had one of the worst verse to chorus transitions ever, and I was like, okay, I'll listen to it now. And now I understand what people meant, but I don't think it's as necessarily bad as a lot of people said. I think there are worse examples on this album of bad verse to chorus transitions, or just verse to verse transitions rather. In this case, I thought that yes, it was a very awkward tempo change, and the problem is not in the concept of that tempo change, but just how it was done. It's so abrupt, it comes out of nowhere, it just feels like there were two songs, and just in the middle of the first, it just switched abruptly to the second. I think the worst songs on here are the tracks Crucible and Rule Number 1. Crucible, every single layer on that track is like trying to make an effort to sound noisier than all the others, if that makes any sense. Like you have all these layers that are trying to make a huge ruckus, and they all kind of just melt into each other messily. And the track Rule Number 1, it was just all over the place. It was very hard to follow because every section of the track was just constantly changing to the next. It was like some sort of hip-hop based track, and then suddenly it carries on to this indie rock, upbeat rock thing, and then a slow rock jam, and then at the end, I just don't know what was going on during that track. If most of the songs on this album had just chosen an idea and stuck to it, that would have been fine, because you would have had songs that could be memorable. And instead you get songs that are just all over the place. They're so overwhelming with all of these different things trying to happen, sometimes even all at once, that you just forget it all as soon as the song ends. And considering how unbearably messy and unorganized this album is, that's probably for the best. So I'm going to give this album a 2 out of 10. I do appreciate the experimentation. There are some decent hooks on tracks, but overall as an album, it's just got so much going on at once that it just, I think you get my point now.